what we're gonna do. We're gonna do chicken soup today. Okay? So here we are. We have our carrots right here. We have our pumpkin. We have our corn. This is sweet pumpkin. This is the best pumpkin to cook to do chicken soup. We have our chocho right here. We have our Irish potato right here. We have scallion. We have celery, hot pepper, thyme, garlic. We have chorchi. We have our flour and cornmeal, pimento, gray Scotch soup, and chicken. So we're gonna start. Let me just start cutting up some of these stuff for you. Okay. This is the carrot I'm cutting up right now. Alright, that's the carrot, and this is the corn. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the corn, the pumpkin, the carrot, and the chorizo in the pot first. Then after, I'm gonna do like the scallion, the celery, the thyme, the country pepper, the garlic, and then all those will come gradually after. But the pumpkin gonna take a minute to cook, so we're gonna do like the pumpkin, the corn, the carrot, and like the vegetables first in the soup, and then closer to finish now. But when we come back, we'll talk about that. Alright, welcome back. Alright, these are all my stuff, my vegetables that I cut up. This is like the corn, the carrot, the chorizo, and the pumpkin. I forgot, I have my yellow yam right here to put in it, but I don't peel this yellow yam yet because sometimes when you peel it too soon, it changes color, and I don't want that to happen. Alright, so I'm gonna put all my ingredients in the pot right now. This is the pumpkin. And I'm gonna put some pimento seed. Yeah, the water is already boiling, so the process should be a little quicker. But this is gonna take maybe about 45 minutes. And then after that I start do the rest. So when I get vegetable, pumpkin, carrot, chorizo, pimento, everything is all in already. So right now I'm gonna put in my chicken. This is my chicken, well washed, well clean. If you notice, I take off all my skins off my chicken. No, I don't like to put the skins in it, so I take off all the chicken. Okay. This is the yam and the Irish potato. So I'm just gonna pour off the water. This is the yam and the Irish potato. That's it. This is my scallion. This is my thyme, my country pepper. This is my garlic. Now I'm gonna put in my dumpling. I already put in the yam, chicken, scallion, thyme, country pepper, and I'm gonna put some all-purpose too. But now I'm gonna put in my spinners. Some people make the round dumpling. I just do spinners. Okay. gonna just let this cook for maybe like about 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna put in my noodle and the all-purpose. I forgot I have my celery over here too. I love to use my celery in soup. It's very healthy. Celery and garlic is very healthy. It can't be too much. Alright, now I'm gonna cut up my celery. I'm not gonna put the celery in, not as yet. I'm gonna save the celery, so when I'm putting in my noodle, I'm putting in my noodle and my celery just about the same time. Alright? Alright, here we go now. Alright, I'm gonna pour my noodles and my celery in the soup right now. It's almost there. My celery. Yeah. This is my all-purpose seasoning. Okay, this is the soup. It's almost ready. Everything is inside of it. But please remember, when you are doing yours at home, you gotta maybe go less on like maybe the all-purpose and maybe like the noodle. You're gonna go less. Okay? But this is a huge pot I'm cooking, so I had a little bit more stuff in it. Okay? So if you're at home, you don't even have to use all-purpose if you're at home, because sometimes the noodle itself just brings up everything. Okay, so you might just maybe a teaspoon, maybe an O. But this is a huge pot, so I have to add a little bit more. Okay, and if you notice I have some like a little grease on top of it, I'm gonna skim off all this when it's finished, because even these are my pimento seed, I don't like the seed in it when I'm finished, so I'm gonna take away all those. But this near, it needs maybe like another 5 minutes to complete. Yeah, but another, yeah, between 5 to 10 minutes for the noodle to really cook out in it. But it's going good now. I'm gonna take all these, I'm gonna take them out when I'm finished. The pepper, the oil on the top, I'm gonna skim that all off, because I don't like to see that in it. Alright? Okay, alright, this is finished now. Okay? It's ready to go. Oh my god, look at it. Alright, first I'm gonna take my scallions out of it now. All my those type of seasoning. My country pepper, I'm gonna take it out, because I don't want it to burst in it. And the oil on top, I'm gonna skim that all off, that oil that comes off the chicken. Even though we take the skins out, sometimes you still get some oil in it. So I'm taking that all off. Look at it. Oh my god. Woo! That sweet pumpkin, believe me, that's the best pumpkin. I love that pumpkin. It gives it a nice color. Look at it. Gonna take out my pimento seed too. I might not get everything off, but I'm trying my best to get everything out of it. Oh, this is my country pepper over here. I'm gonna take it out. So, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna serve a bowl. Alright? Looking real good. Oh my god, you'd love some of this now, believe me. Alright, I'm not gonna get everything out, but I take out the main ones. I'm trying to get all the pimento seed out, but I'm not gonna be able to get everything. So basically this chicken soup, let's just go for it one more time. I put like my carrot, my thyme, pumpkin, chocho, pimento seed, yam, sweet corn, sweet pumpkin, and my dumpling. And oh, don't forget, sometimes I put Irish potato, sometimes I put like cocoa. Yeah, but this is really looking good. It's not too thick and it's not too long. You know, chicken soup, you don't want to have it too thick neither. Alright? And just remember, if you're doing it at home, you're not gonna put too much of anything in it, because the less you do is the less stuff you're gonna put in it. But this is a huge pot, so I just have to add a little bit more stuff in it. Alright? This is how your soup's supposed to look like when it's finished. You look, this is my chicken, my corn, my carrot, and you know what? This bowl is my bowl, because you know what? Pastor said in christening pitney first. So this one is really my one. Look at it. OMG. This is real good. And the good thing about it, it's not too thick, it's not too long. It's just perfect. Look at it. Oh my God.